Ever thought even aluminum foil can be used to boost battery life? But how does it work? Well, you're in the right place to know it. Aluminum foil is so versatile. We use it for anything from boosting Wi-Fi signal to keeping vegetables fresh for longer. So, join us as discover 12 incredible uses for aluminum foil that will make your life easier than ever. Number 12, protect hardware. While painting, foil can be a time-saving helper on your next paint project. Eliminate the tedious task of removing door hardware by wrapping knobs and hinges in aluminum foil to protect them from paint spills. You can even line the roller pan with foil to make cleanup a breeze. And if you're not quite done painting but need to run an errand, try wrapping your paintbrush in foil, then storing it in the fridge. Number 11, polish silver. Polish your silver with your own homemade tarnish remover. Line a glass pan with foil and place the silver into the pan, making sure that each piece touches the foil. Add 4 cups of boiling water, followed by a 1/4 cup of baking soda. Double or triple the recipe as needed to completely cover the silver. The mixture will start to foam, and the tarnish will adhere to the foil. The process will take several minutes, and heavily tarnished pieces may require several treatments. Remove the silver from the pan, rinse it with clean water, and dry it with a soft cloth. Store the silver on a sheet of foil to avoid future tarnishing. This process is not recommended for silver-plated pieces. Number 10, keep your vegetables fresh for longer. Aluminum works pretty well in a peach. You can easily wrap your veggies in them, scrunch it up, and toss it into your refrigerator. It will keep the moisture and air away from the veggies, keeping them crisp and fresh longer. You can wrap vegetables like celery, broccoli, lettuce, zucchini, and more in foil and pop them into the fridge. It should keep them crisp for a couple of weeks. Number 9, improve ironing. Ironing clothes can be a pretty time-consuming process. One way to speed things up is to line your ironing board with aluminum foil. Rather than absorbing the heat and moisture, like your ironing board cover normally does, the foil will trap the heat and moisture around your garment. Additionally, if you have an article of clothing that isn't iron-safe, such as a knit sweater, you can use the same method to steam any wrinkles out of it. Simply hover the iron about an inch or two over the garment and continually press the steam button. Number 8, keep bananas from ripening. Too soon. You have probably seen this hack on the internet and have wondered about it. Well, now it's finally time for you to give it a try. Grab a couple of bananas, still held together by the stem. Simple cut off a bit of aluminum foil and scrunch it up around the crown. Here's the logic behind it. Many fruits, like bananas, release ethylene gas, which controls ripening and browning of the fruit, starting at the stem. By wrapping the crown, you're not only slowing down the ripening process for the banana, but also for fruits around it. Number 7, curl your hair. If you need to curl your hair and all you have is a straightening iron, fear not. All you need is some aluminum foil. Simply divide your hair into 1/2 inch, roll upward from the ends, and wrap the curl with some aluminum foil. Clamp the foil with a hot straightening iron for just a few seconds, and remove the foil. Number 6, use aluminum foil to sharpen scissors. Do you suffer from continuously blunting scissors? Perhaps you just love to make crafty things or writing ransom notes. Who knows? Who are we to judge? In any case, aluminum foil is a lifesaver once again. What a versatile material it is. But how? We hear you ask. It's very simple indeed, as it turns out. Just cut into some foil with those deviously blunt scissors and they'll sharpen like no one's business. Nice. Number 5, use aluminum foil to boost battery life. If you find your batteries have run down, you'll be needing some fresh ones. But what to do if you only have AIAA when you need some AA? No problem. Aluminum foil is here to save the day once again. Jam some foil between the plus tips of the battery and the battery holder, and hey presto, battery power restored. This is a perfect solution. Thanks, aluminum. Number 4, make cleanup easier. If you are about to cook something you know is going to make a huge mess, be it in the oven, toaster, or grill, line the bottom of the cooker with aluminum foil. When the job is done, remove the foil with all the mess. You can also wrap the rack of a grill or oven with foil, but you will need to perforate it to allow airflow in many situations. Still, it's the same concept. Cleanup consists of removing the foil and throwing away the entire mess in one motion. Number 3, use aluminum foil as a funnel. Need a quick fix solution to your funneling problem? Here's how you create an aluminum foil funnel. First, make a funnel model out of paper. You can use this as a blueprint of sorts. Then take a strip of foil and carefully tape one end of the foil to the funnel model. Wrap the foil around and stick it in place. Number 2, soak up shoe odor. If you've got a few pairs of smelly sneakers, aluminum foil can help. Tear 3 pieces of foil, 12 inches by 12 inches, for each shoe and roll them into ball-like shapes. Ensuring your sneakers are dry. Insert the foil balls inside each shoe and leave them in overnight. The foil will absorb unpleasant odors, and unlike powders or sprays, won't leave any residue or mess behind. Number 1. For boosting your Wi-Fi signal. Do you have an older wireless router? Perhaps you live in a castle with feet-thick walls. We can't help with the latter, but you can give your Wi-Fi a minor boost using aluminum foil. Wi-Fi routers tend to have a range of around 20 meters, and you should think about where you site it, or perhaps consider other boosting devices. But why use an off-the-shelf solution? DIY is so much more satisfying, right? Firstly, take some aluminum foil, fold it several times, and make a crude concave reflector. Finally, place that behind your router's antenna. This not only looks awesome, but also helps boost your signal, at least in one direction. Nice. That's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and don't forget to watch more of our popular videos as well. Until the next video, goodbye.